The panel has a touchscreen display and two round buttons below, the home button and the emergency button. You can press the home button at any time and it will take you to the home screen. During these videos, we will always start from the home screen. The emergency button is a quick way to get to the emergency screen. When you press the emergency button, the emergency screen will appear. On this screen, you will see three buttons: panic, fire, and emergency. Press any button for 2 or more seconds to activate the alarm. The panic button will set off an audible alarm and trigger Vivint Live. The fire button will set off an audible alarm and dispatch the fire department. The fire button will not trigger Vivint Live, but you will receive a call from Vivint. Remember, after you press the fire button for 2 seconds, you need to exit the house immediately. The emergency button will set off an audible alarm and trigger Vivint Live. All 3 local authorities, police, fire, and ambulance, will be dispatched in the event of an emergency. I'm now going to teach you how to arm your system. It sounds complicated, but don't worry. Arming your system is simple. There are 2 options when arming: away and stay. Away activates every sensor in your home, including all motion detectors. To arm your system to away, do the following. From the home screen, press security. Next, press arm, then choose away. Your system has now been armed in the away mode. If you're inside your home, you'll need to arm your system to stay. Stay activates all sensors in your home except for the motion detectors. This allows you to move around freely in your home, but will trigger an alarm if any exit or entry point is triggered. To arm your system to stay, do the following. From the home screen, press security. Next, press arm, then choose stay. Your system has now been armed in the stay mode. There are 2 ways to disarm your system. Simply press disarm, then type in your 4-digit code. Or you can open a door, your system will go into an entry delay mode and a keypad will appear on the screen. Type in your 4-digit code to disarm the system. During an entry delay mode, you only have a set amount of time to enter your system info before the alarm goes off. You'll be able to tell if the system is armed through the panel. The panel screen will display if the system is armed and inform you whether it's in away or stay. Another way is by looking at the home button. The home button will glow red when the system is armed. Vivint Live allows you to have 2-way communication with a certified Vivint representative via your panel. After a panic or emergency button is pressed, a signal is sent to Vivint's monitoring station. A Vivint representative will speak to you via the panel's intercom to assess your situation. The panel will become a real-time, 2-way communication device between you and the representative. If the emergency requires police or medical attention, Vivint will dispatch emergency personnel immediately. If the situation is not an emergency, you'll be required to give your verbal abort code to prevent a false alarm. You will set up your verbal abort code with your field service technician during the installation. Your system can have one master code and multiple other users. The master code is the only way to access your entire system. If for any reason you need to change the master code, follow these steps. Start from the home screen. First, press security. Next, press menu. Then press toolbox. Now type your 4-digit code. Choose user management. Then select master user. Now push change PIN. You'll be prompted to type a new 4-digit code. Press OK, verify the new code again, then click OK. The next screen will let you know that your password has successfully been changed or inform you of any problems setting the new code.